Alright, so here's a no trading day. So here's what a non-trading day looks like to me. Now, starting off is we don't trade the Asian session. So this will be the Asia session. So price, Asia swept here, moved down, and yeah, came back up pre-London. And pretty much I am expecting for London to kind of sweep this right here, but it never happened. And the thing is that why won't I trade the continuation, London continuation? So pretty much once price reversed, I'm expecting price to continue breaking structure to the downside, but it didn't. So pretty much it went back up. So the trading is kind of invalid, and yeah, pretty much no trade for today as of 6 p.m. right now. Now moving on to GBP USD. Well, this looks like a good trade, right? So, draw on liquidity, previous Asia high, swept by London, and literally, according to the way I document stuff, is that I'm waiting for the candle closure above this. Yeah, I'm waiting for a candle closure above, like a clear candle closure, not this type. And if I drop to the 15 minute or the 5 minute, there's also not a clear candle closure above here. So pretty much I'm not expecting price to reverse. I mean, if price is going to reverse, well then it is going to reverse. But if it's not, well then it's good that I avoided the trade, because the change of character isn't clear, right? So pretty much no trade for that one, and same to this one, right here. You know, not a clear change of character at all, regardless the 5 minute or the 3 minute. Yeah. So yeah. So now moving on to gold. So as you can see, gold right here, literally no trade. Why? Because if you jump onto the 1 hour time frame, so price broke structure to the upside. Literally, it did not sweep anything, just broke structure to the upside. But now, if we look at this candle right here, we drop onto the 5 minute. So price broke structure to the upside like crazy, and it did not signal a change of character. So that is a no for XAU USD. Now for silver, I'm trying to use it as an SMT for my entry, but we're not going to do any analysis on that. Now moving on to Euro USD, literally there's nothing here. Like, Asia high, Asia low, nothing happened. So pretty much it is what it is for today. No trades for today. But if you look at, I think, Bitcoin, yeah, Bitcoin, well, I'm still kind of hesitant with this trade. So pretty much, as you can see, price swept Asia high, did a change of character, but once price tapped into our order block, it also did a mini change of character inside of here. It's not as clear, but we can still enter off this the value gap. And now if I were to target, I'm thinking of targeting somewhat around here. Why? Because there's lots of liquidity right here, like equal low, and basically focus on liquidity. Matter of fact, I don't have to target 1 to 3.68. I can target a 1 to 2.5, 1 to 2.4, or whatever, because these are just sell side liquidity waiting to be swept. But we'll see. I'm not so sure about this one. Why? Because why am I not so sure about this trade? Because first of all, it is kind of late when price swept, and the continuation is kind of also late. But you know what? I'll still document it, but I'm still not executing this trade. So yeah.